Assalamu alaikum to all, to DHA Education System. Subject Environment of Pakistan, Class C1, week number 7, starting from 18th May to 22nd May. Reference and resources which will be required are Environment of Pakistan by Humanaz Sethi, Chapter Climate, pages 28 to 30, Climatic Zones of Pakistan. It will also include the definition of climate and weather. Questions will be given for confirmation of learning. Explanation of the end of the topic will be done with the help of web, maps and pictures at the end. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to label major climatic divisions of Pakistan, describe characteristics of each climatic division, explain reasons for low and high temperature, enlist areas or cities of each climatic division of Pakistan. In this topic, students will be learn about climatic divisions of Pakistan, climatic elements, extent of each climatic division, average temperature of the area. This is the map showing different climatic divisions of Pakistan. If you look at the map, A shows the highland climate, and highland climate is starting from northern areas of Pakistan towards southwestern of Pakistan, and these areas included Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Western Mountains, Safed Kor Range, Waziristan Hills. All of these areas are included in highland climate. But as we move from north towards south, that is from northern mountains towards western mountains or towards Balochistan province, the temperature starts increasing as well. In northern areas, the temperature is cold winters with mild summers, and rainfall occurs in all seasons. Whereas in Balochistan, it is cool to cold winter, mild to warm summers, and rainfall usually occurs in the winter. B, it is your lowland climate, and if you look at the map, you will notice whole of upper Indus plain and some areas of Sindh province are included in lowland climate. And here the winters are usually cool, summers are hot, and rainfall is usually from monsoon rainfall, and also in the winter it receives rainfall. As we move from north to south, that is from Punjab towards Sindh, the aridity in the area also increases because the temperature increases as we move from north towards south. C is the coastal climate, and it is starting from Rann of Kutch towards western part of Balochistan, the coastal area. It includes whole of the coastal area of Balochistan and Sindh as well. It has mild winters and warm summers. D is the arid climate. Arid climate includes usually the desert areas, Cholista, Nara and Thar, and in Balochistan, that is the southwestern Balochistan along the border of Iran, it is Haran desert area. This area usually has mild winter, hot summers and extreme aridity. Due to less rainfall, the aridity is high in the area, soil erosion is more in the area because of the wind also. While you are going through the map, please follow your reference book as well. Now there is a difference between weather and climate. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions of any place for a short period of time. It is often localized. For example, if you look outside and you find out that there is sun out, then it means that today's weather is sunny. If it is raining, then it is raining. If it has clouds, then it will be cloudy. Climate is a generalization of the day-to-day weather conditions over a longer period of time, usually 30 years. It means that if you want to predict the climate of an area, you have to go through the weather of that particular area for a longer period of time. Usually it takes 30 years. Then you can say that the climate of that area is arid, or it is cold, or it is warm or hot. Otherwise you can't categorize the climate of the area. So this is the main difference between weather and climate. Climatic zones in Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into 4 climatic zones. One is highland climate, as we have seen in the map as well. Lowland climate, arid climate, and coastal climate. Now the characters or the features of different climatic zones. First of all, we will start with highland climate. It includes northern, northwestern and western highlands of Pakistan, for example Kashmir, Gilgit, KPK and Balochistan, as I have discussed earlier as well in the map of in the previous slide. Rainfall and temperature depends on altitude. The higher the altitude, lower the temperature and higher the rainfall. Northern mountains range from 2000 to 8000 meters, having cold winters, mild summers, and rainfall occurs in all seasons. Western mountains range from 1000 to 400 meters, having cool to cold summer, mild to warm winters, and rainfall in winters only. Summers are short, mild, and wet in northern areas but dry in western mountains. Characteristics of lowland climate or features of lowland climate. It includes the whole upper and lower Indus plain, excluding coastal areas. Mostly consists of arid and extreme climate with hot summers, cool winters and summer monsoon rainfall. Rainfall increases from south to north. Also receives rainfall from western depression, and usually western depression produce rainfall in the winters. We will discuss these sources of rainfall in the coming weeks in detail. Features of coastal climate. It includes southern coastal strip, includes Indus Delta, Karachi and the whole of Makran coast. Sea breezes dominates the climate throughout the year and keeps it moderate. Maritime effect dominates the climate. Maritime effect means the effect of the land and sea breezes keeps the climate of the area moderate, that is the land and night sea breezes. Humidity level is mostly high, reaching 50% in April to September. Mean monthly temperature is 32%. May, June are the hottest months. Rainfall is less and scanty, mostly during monsoon season. Features of arid climate. It includes southwestern desert of Balochistan, Haran and southeastern desert of Sindh, Tharparkar. Dominated by dry and hot climate throughout the year. Hot dusty wind prevails from May to September. Low amount scanty rainfall during winters in Balochistan. Summer monsoon brings little rainfall in Sindh. Extreme heat, dryness and dust storms are common in the area. There are 4 climatic elements responsible for seasonal variation in the climate of Pakistan and in the world as well. Temperature, rainfall, pressure, air pressure, and winds. Because of these climatic elements, the climate of any area is recognized and categorized as well. Confirmation of learning and recap. Name some of climatic elements. What is maritime influence? Which city is known as thermal pole of Pakistan? The answers of these questions are given in the next slide. In the meantime, go through your reference book, go through the topic as well, so you can find out the answers. I am giving you some time. Now the answers for the recap: temperature, rainfall, air pressure, and winds. I will repeat again: temperature, rainfall, air pressure, and global winds, they determine the climate of any area. Difference in temperature of land and water cause the movement of land and sea breezes. Difference in temperature of land and water cause the movement of land and sea breezes. And for the last question, the answer is Jacobabad.